tonight we're going to open this Hot Wheel skateboard, and we already have this skateboard right here. And
Yes.
And this thing comes with this.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, right here, and you can
Yeah,
see
because
the back
basically
too.
we have two of them.
The back shows you how it looks like.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay, now let's
That's
open
the amusement park skate set. That's what it's called.
Yeah, now let's open it.
Yes. Where are the scissors?
We can just open it right now.
Well, maybe I'll probably do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Now time for me to open. So I see the way of how we open that. Yeah.
Wow, kaboom! Kaboom!
Yeah. This is kind of tricky how to open it.
This almost.
Whoa!
Whoa, kablammy.
Yeah. Don't worry, it's probably taking time.
Yeah.
Alright, it's opening.
Take your time.
Yeah, we always take our time.
Yeah, but not always. Not always. We got a piece of the Hot Wheel.
Yeah, that part, that rack, and there's the staircase.
Here's the thing. And
And
here's this staircase right here.
that one.
Ooh, this is a house.
And we have more.
Yeah, we have so much more. Just explore.
Yes.
True.
All right.
This probably has batteries, but we're not going to put the batteries, right?
Well, yes.
No, don't put the batteries, Kuya.
Yeah, I will not. I will not.
Let's just make it.
Yeah. I think we're almost done. Is there any? Oh, that one. That one it includes.
Super high.
Yeah, there. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Oh. All right. Yeah. Ouch. One. Two.
This is not broken. It's just kind of like.
And three.
Okay. Here's a skateboard. It looks kind of different. And here's this. Now let's try it out.
So now I just took all of the parts, especially the skateboard one.
Now
All right.
let's
So now let's assemble that one. And they have stickers. Okay.
It's just so hard.
So those are the contents. Let's see which one's the first. All right. Apply labels. Okay, so which one's first? Okay. Yeah, that one.
Oh, these are for skateboards.
All right, Jamie, look. Look, Jamie.
What? That's where you put the stickers.
Yeah, can I see? You're blocking the light. Hello. Yep. It just sticks perfectly.
Good.
And the next one.
Okay, I finished this part.
Customized skateboard, skate park with graffiti. Okay, so we'll just do that later. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is assembly. We will assemble that. So you click. You did already.
Yeah, let's put two.
So that's number 1, and
let's put 2 of them there.
yeah, and number 2.
Okay, now we finish with this piece. But
Yes, and number 2, I just need
finish
to.
this piece, and we just have to put this piece.
Maybe we'll follow by that. Yeah, excuse you.
Yeah.
Should be at the back. Oops. Oh. And number 3, that one. How does it go? Oh, thanks. It must fit there to this puzzle. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it fits perfectly. And next one, what we're gonna put is the ramps over there. Okay. So where is it? That one. And the next one, wrong. Oh. Yeah. I think it's right. And we have to place the thing there. Oh, it says there number 1. And then the larger ramp. Where is it? Oh. Oh, that one. That was I not going to say that. We're nearly done, Jamie.
Okay.
Yeah, we're nearly done. And the next one, number 2. Yes. That's the right way.
Thing.
Mom. And number 3. Where I can put the last one. There. I don't know. Oh. That?
Look at this.
Oh yeah. I remember. it's on the back one, the back side. And let's not forget that one. Where I can place that. Oh. Nope. Huh. Yeah, I feel a bit confused.
What is this for anyway?
Oh, I see. Thank you for helping us. All right. So now we're done assembling the skateboard amusement park.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay. Excuse me.
There we go.
It's kind of like you gotta do this then.
Oh. That's how it...
Oh, we
That's how
almost
it goes.
had it. We almost had
3,
it.
2, 1, go.
Oh my.
Almost.
Let me try.
I guess you must do it harder. Oh. Do tricks for music and cheers. Yeah, but we'll just pretend that there's music. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go.
You can go like this, here, here. Or you can go here and here, here.
Yes. All right.
Bye.
So, yeah, bye. Thank
Yeah,
you
bye.
for
Thank you for
watching. Make sure you
watching.
subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe and comment down below.
Yeah. I just said that.
Link
So,
down below too, so you can get the same thing.
yes, yeah, to purchase this item. Bye.
Bye.